Okay, so this is going to be a last section of psychology. And this isn't necessarily more so a psychological aspect of trading, but more so just something that traders keep on getting mistaken at, especially new traders coming into this industry. And that is looking for a perfect trading strategy. You should stop. Stop looking for a perfect trading strategy. So many new traders are coming in looking at indicators, looking at buying these EA automated bots. People are selling. None of that is consistently long-term profitable. I'm sorry, but none of these bots, if those bots truly were consistently profitable, people would not be selling them. That's just a fact. Let's be honest here. If they had bots that were extremely profitable, they would not be selling them to other people for what, only $300, $400. Like, come on, you gotta think more rationally here. All right. So just stop looking for a perfect trading strategy. The market is not binary. It's not black and white, like I mentioned so many times. There's no perfect algorithm that the market follows. Even these institutions, you may think they win all the time, but who knows? They may not even win 100% of the time. If the institutions that move the market can't win 100% of the time, how can you expect to win 100% of the time? And also, for a fact, actually, even especially banks, they don't win 100% of the time. The reason you know this is if they really truly won 100% of the time, imagine how much money they're literally like generating. How are banks still going bankrupt even generating so much money from the markets? If banks have, let's say, a few million to trade with, the 100% trade with them, 100% win rate, they win and compound that money they turns into trillions, easy trillions, if they're compounding that money with a 100% win rate. So no one wins, not even the banks or institutions win 100% of the time. Now, I'm sure there might be other people that may potentially, I don't know, but point is, no banks or institutions, basically you could think about this, no one wins 100% of the time, okay? So no one else that has more power in these markets can win 100% of the time. How are you expected to win 100% of the time? However, what many great traders don't tell you is that you don't need actually a high win rate to become profitable, which I'll later discuss in the course, but or actually in the next section, but you really don't need this close to perfect 100% win rate strategy to become profitable because there are many. I'm gonna just discuss later in the next section because I'm gonna dive deeper into it. There's just many other factors that lead to profitability, not just win rate. So trading is not again binary black or white. Every circumstance is different and will require traders to be flexible in adapting to new conditions. This is the same concept to anything else in life. For example, if you're working in a tech industry, technology improves every 4 years, substantially. You have to adapt your skills, you have to learn new things, you have to renew new certifications, you might even have to get a different degree to adapt to new situations in the environment. Same with trading. This is not a static environment, not a static uh it's it is a lifelong skill that you will have for the rest of your life that you just build upon, right? You just build newer and newer found learning and foundation upon. I wouldn't say it's a strategy. I wouldn't say training is something you have to adapt to as much as many other jobs, for example. But it is definitely something that still requires some adaptation that you need to be okay and be flexible with. Rather, you should be diving deep into one training strategy. So instead of looking for multiple training strategies and find the perfect one, you should be diving deep into one training strategy and focus on developing the most profitable system you can within that proves consistency over the long run, whether that's through backtesting, live trading, demo trading, whatever. All right. If it proves consistently profitable system over the long run with data backing that up, you know it's a profitable system. All you have to do is continue executing it, or if you find certain things as you're executing that can improve the strategy, incorporate those things. That's it. So that's gonna be it for the psychology section. Hopefully you guys did learn a lot because I for sure this is a lot to just help me even recall a lot of things about psychology. Of course, again, like I mentioned, I can't train like a bot now. Gone through every single course and phase that I've mentioned in this course so far personally, and I've surpassed them all. But again, this is something that you guys should definitely still take into consideration and something I would actually, me personally, I'll still reflect on this psychology stuff because I think it's really important to continue learning, continue growing, and continuing seeing if you're making any mistakes from the past. So again, that's going to be it for our psychology section. And the last section I'll be talking about will be trade management and creating a profitable trading system.